Welcome to LUMACASA Studio, where extraordinary homes prove that luxury is never measured by square footage. Today, we'll step inside a tiny house that transforms every inch into beauty, comfort, and purpose. If you've ever dreamed of living with less while feeling like you have everything, this inspiring tour may completely change the way you see home forever. The journey begins with a welcoming exterior wrapped in warm cedar wood, soft black accents, and oversized windows reflecting the morning sky. Native plants gently sway beside the entrance, creating an effortless connection with nature. A thoughtfully designed front porch, even in the smallest footprint, instantly adds warmth and personality, reminding us that first impressions always begin before opening the front door. Step inside, and the living room feels surprisingly expansive. Sunlight pours through tall windows, dancing across natural oak floors and soft linen textures. Neutral colors quietly dissolve visual boundaries, making the room feel larger than it truly is. Choosing low-profile furniture and leaving open floor space allows every corner to breathe, creating an atmosphere that feels peaceful, elegant, and incredibly inviting. The kitchen proves that thoughtful planning outshines extra space. Sleek cabinetry stretches to the ceiling, offering generous storage without overwhelming the room. Under-cabinet lighting softly illuminates handcrafted countertops, while hidden organizers eliminate unnecessary clutter. Vertical storage, integrated appliances, and a consistent color palette help create a kitchen that feels organized, luxurious, and ready for everyday moments. Near the window sits a cozy dining nook where every meal becomes an experience. Morning coffee arrives with golden sunlight, while evening dinners glow beneath warm pendant lights. Built-in seating quietly doubles as hidden storage, a timeless solution for compact living. Placing dining areas beside natural light not only brightens the room, but also makes everyday routines feel richer and more connected. Climb a few carefully crafted steps and discover a bedroom wrapped in tranquility. Crisp white bedding, soft knitted blankets, and warm wooden walls create an atmosphere that encourages deep rest. Layering different textures instead of excessive decoration adds visual richness without creating clutter. In small bedrooms, simplicity often delivers the greatest feeling of luxury and calm. Even the bathroom embraces refined simplicity. Large mirrors reflect light across polished stone surfaces, making the room appear remarkably spacious. A frameless glass shower preserves uninterrupted sightlines while floating vanities reveal more floor area underneath. Choosing fewer materials with consistent finishes creates harmony, proving that elegant design often comes from careful restraint rather than expensive excess. One of the home's greatest luxuries is its seamless connection to the outdoors. Wide sliding glass doors erase the boundary between interior comfort and fresh open air. A small wooden deck becomes an extension of the living room, surrounded by greenery, gentle breezes, and birdsong. Even modest outdoor spaces dramatically expand the feeling of home when thoughtfully integrated. As our tour comes to an end, one truth quietly remains. Luxury isn't found in endless rooms or extravagant possessions. It's discovered in intentional choices, meaningful details, beautiful light, and spaces that support everyday living with grace. This tiny house reminds us that when every element has purpose, even the smallest home can hold life's biggest moments. Thank you for joining LUMACASA Studio on this inspiring tiny house journey. We hope today's tour encourages you to see beauty not in size, but in thoughtful design and timeless comfort. If this home sparked new ideas for your own dream space, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who believes that elegant living begins with purposeful design. We'll see you again in our next beautiful home tour.